Okay, guys, welcome back to Cooking Easy with Feezy, where food's made easy. And today we're gonna be cooking chả trứng. And what we have here today is we got some ground pork. We got 5 eggs. I'm gonna be separating the eggs and the egg whites. I got some black fungus here soaked in cold water that I'm gonna be slicing up in a bit here. I got some fresh pork skin, shallots, and garlic. Okay guys, let's get this stuff started. Alright guys, so I got some black fungus here that I've been soaking in water for about 30 minutes. We're just gonna slice them up into nice fine pieces. You don't want it too big. All this size is okay. Just slice them thinly. Slice it thinly. Do it until it's all done. Okay, on to the next. Okay guys, so here, I got some ground pork that I washed already. Add it to the bowl here. Some minced garlic. Got some minced garlic here. I'm gonna add just about 2 tablespoons. Some shallots. Add about 2 tablespoons of shallots. I got some fresh pork skin here that I chopped, that I washed with vinegar and salt so to get rid of that gamey taste, that porky taste. Make sure you wash it thoroughly or else it's gonna leave that stench. So I'm gonna throw it about, okay, let's just throw it all in there. That's about 1 cup, okay guys? 1 cup. And about a cup of dry black fungus, okay, that's been hydrated, sliced thinly, okay? Here I got some mushroom seasoning, about, let's say 2 tablespoons, or two teaspoons actually, I'm sorry, 2 teaspoons. I got some cane sugar here. I'm gonna give about 2 teaspoons as well. About 2 pinches of salt. Let's make it 3. 3 pinches of salt. A little bit of white pepper, just a little bit, about a teaspoon. Couple squirts of fish sauce, and the brand I'm using today is the Full Wok fish sauce. If you guys can see that, it's Full Wok. It's a little bit darker than the usual. That's good. That's it. We're gonna mix it all up now, okay? Get in there. If you have gloves, wear gloves. Get your hands in there, get dirty. Get all that mixed up in there. Get it mixed up good. I can smell it already, it smells good. You don't want to work it too much because you don't want your meat pie to be too dense. You want it a little bit airy. If it's too dense, it's gonna taste not too good, okay? So I'm gonna stop about there. Now we're gonna transfer it into a steaming plate, okay? Today I'm cooking out of my auntie cells. She don't have a lot of tools that I have, so I want to make do with what I have. Today I have this plate right here, nice and low. I'm just gonna transfer my meat to it and form it to the shape of the plate. Press it down, guys. Press it down. Okay. Press that down. Make sure it's like compact down there. We're gonna pop it in the steamer and let it steam until it's almost cooked, and then we'll glaze it off with some egg yolks, okay? Okay, just like that, guys. Okay, on to the next step. Okay, guys, it's in the steamer now. I don't actually have a real artificial steamer, so I just lined the bottom with a cooling rack, and I put a bowl under there, and I sat the plate on top of it. Now we're just gonna cover it and let it cook for about 45 minutes to an hour, and we'll come back and check about it, okay? There you go. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna separate the eggs from the egg yolk, okay? So I got one here, one egg yolk. yolks. 4 egg yolks. 5 egg yolks. Okay. Got 5 egg yolks like that. Get up with a fork. Coat it. Coat the top of it. Make sure you get it all around there. All the spaces. There you go. Cover it. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Now, okay, we're gonna continue steaming it until it's cooked on top. The reason why I don't want to steam it covered, because if you steam it covered, the color of the yolk will be very, how would I say, will be very bright. I don't want that. I want it to stay that semi-color, okay? Guys, after it's done, it's gonna look like this. That means your meat pie is done. We're gonna take it off. Put it, and we're gonna cut it up, okay? It's juicy.